Next it is area of a circle. Area means what? This is the circle. Inner part full, this much part we call it as area of the circle. For the small circle means, for coin means this much part, full part. This coins, this part we call it as area of the circle. So this is the area. How to find the area of a circle? If R is the radius of the circle means we can say area capital A is equal to pi r square. R means the radius. That means pi into radius into radius. Okay, pi we know now. What is the value of pi? Yes, 22/7 or 3.14. That you have to by heart the value of pi. Okay. Then if area is given means you can find out the radius. If it is the half part of the circle area only to find out. What to do? Full area means pi r square. So area of half circle or semicircle. Area of semicircle or half circle is half of the area of this full circle. Full circle is half part. Half of pi r square. Pi r square is the full circle's area. Then half when we are taking half of pi r square. When we are taking the quarter part only, when we are taking this quarter part, then what is the area? 1/4 part of pi r square. So area of quarter circle. Quarter circle's area is 1/4 pi r square. Semicircle's area is 1/2 pi r square. Full circle's area is pi r square. Okay. Then here some questions are there. Directly a radius is given 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. How to find the area? Area is equal to pi 22/7 into r square. 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14. Then multiply all these number. Area always in square unit. So centimeter square. Always area in square unit only. Then if diameter is given means diameter 2 4/5 meter. Diameter 2 4/5 meter. It is a mixed number. First convert it to improper. 2 5s are 10. 14/5. 14/5 meter. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi into r. R is diameter is given. This divided by 2 is radius. So 2/1. 14/5 into 1/2. It is 7/5. So 7/5 into 7/5. Pi value we can take 22/7. 1 7 we can cancel. That's why we are taking value of pi as 22/7. Then multiply 22 divided by 25. Find out decimal number you will get. That is the area in meter square. All are in meter. So answer is in meter square. Then some mixed number, decimal number, some questions are there in 40F. Then taking pi is equal to 22/7, find the radii each of the following circle. Radii we have to find out. Given it is area of the circle is given. Area is equal to 22/7 centimeter square. Then area we know that it is pi r square. So r square, what is it? R square is area divided by pi. Area is 22/7 dividing by pi also 22/7. So 22/7 into take the reciprocal and multiply. This all cancel, you will get 1. So 1 centimeter square is the radius. Then take r, square root of 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So square root of 1 is 1 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Then 314 2/7 is the area. So whenever it is getting a mixed number, you have to convert it improper. 314 into 7 plus 2. Then you will get a fraction. Then you will get r square is equal to a by pi. That number is a divided by 22 by 7. Okay. This mixed number 314 into 7. 2789. 2198. 2198 plus 2. 2200 divided by 7 is the mixed number. Dividing by 22 7, take a multiply 2 by 7 by 22. 7 7 cancel, 22 22 1. So 1 into 100. 100 is the r square. R is equal to square root of 100. See, it is 10. Now we studied how to find the square root of a number. 10 centimeter or millimeter square is given. Here it is in millimeter square. So 10 is in millimeter. Okay. In this exercise 14F, 1 to 4 questions I discuss here. And 5th onwards, no need. That and all same type of question is coming in 8th standard. That time you can study. Okay. And the 4th question, it is taking the value of pi is equal to 3.14. Find the diameter of the circle whose areas are given. Diameter we have to find, area is given. That is one question I am taking 7.065. It is the area of the circle millimeter square. Then here same way r square is equal to a by 22 by 7 or 7.065 divided by pi 3.14 you can take. Multiply numerator and denominator by 100 because denominator decimal has to go. So 706.5 divided by 314. Divide it and find the r square. Then take the square root. Square root of the number is equal to r. Then you will get the number d is equal to diameter is 2 into r. Multiply this number by 2. You will get the diameter. Okay, diameter is twice a radius. Here they are asking for finding the diameter. Okay, this is easy way to find some more questions. Same type of question is coming in 8th standard. That's why we are removing some questions from this circle. Okay, this completed this chapter, perimeter and area. This much only. Studied the equation by heart. Circumference of a circle is C is equal to 2 pi r or C is equal to pi d. Area of a circle is A is equal to pi r square. Area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Area of a quarter circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, thank you.